Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So basically, over on the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, there's been people requesting that I do a video here talking about how to use the profit tracker on OddsMonkey so that you can track your profits through match betting and know exactly how much profit you've made. So that's what this video is going to be about, just how to track your profits so that you can stay super organized with everything and know what you're up to. So not messing about and getting straight on the laptop then. Here we can see that I've got the profit tracker open, and if I just go back to the main OddsMonkey dashboard here, I'll show you how easy it is to get to the profit tracker. So simply on the dashboard, on this profit tab here right at the top, you would just click that and then it takes you to the profit tracker just like that. Now the first thing you might have noticed, just to make it clear before we go any further, is that I have no profit for December 2021 or January 2022. And that's simply because I've fully transitioned over into more of a match betting coach than doing match betting for myself. And it was basically a simple choice of, should I help people with match betting or try and do it for myself more? And with the fact that over time you will get banned or gubbed from accounts, I just simply ran out of accounts to do match betting with. So that's why there's no profits there, just because I haven't made any profits. I'm now basically a full-time coach with helping people make their own profits. In fact, if we scroll down, you can see source here on this column. All these were manually inputted, and I'm going to show you how to input them automatically in a second. But you can see that the last bits of large profits there were actually from last year's Cheltenham Festival. So you can see there each day of the Cheltenham Festival, so £230 was the lowest amount I made. And as I've mentioned on other videos, that was simply me placing a couple of extra place bets just to show people how to make money at Cheltenham. I wasn't even, trying there. Not to sound like I'm showing off, but I wasn't even trying to make profits there. But enough about my profits. Basically, the first thing I want to talk about here is how to manually enter a profit into your tracker. So it's just this button here on the right-hand side. So you just click Manual Entry, and that's going to load this screen up, and you basically type in the event box, of course, what the event was, what the bet was on there in the bet box. Then you can select what kind of bet it was there in the type selection. You can then select the bookmaker. You can even select which exchange it was at, which sport it was. Then you can go ahead and type into the notes there, anything that you might find useful that you will be able to then, jog your memory on what that bet was placed for. Then you're going to type in expected profit and actual profit, and then you will leave that mark as settled box empty until the bet is, of course, settled. Then you would come back here, tick that box like so, and then resave it. You do even have the option there at the bottom where it says, if this was a free bet, then which tool did you earn the free bet from? And you can select that, and there's all the different options there. So that's the way you can manually enter these. It's a way that I always, as you can see from all the manual entries, that's the way I always did it. And but I want to show you a way that you can do it where it's so much simpler and much quicker and easier, and you can do that straight through the odds matcher here. So for example, here on the odds matcher, we can just go ahead and select a bet here. So let's just take this one. So John Rahm, the golf player here for this Farmers Insurance Open golf tournament here, we just click on the information icon. And that's going to bring up the calculator here, and we would simply then go down to the bottom. So you just scroll down in that calculator, and right at the bottom there, that blue button, if you just click that, it says log bet. This will pop up and it says your bet has been saved to your profit tracker, and then you can just press OK and it'll get rid of that. Or you can click take me to the profit tracker if you haven't yet opened that in another tab. Obviously we have that open in this tab. But if you don't, you can just click that. So take me to Profit Tracker. That'll load up that new screen. And you can see there that it's actually logged it for you automatically. And it has all of the information there. So on this very first column, it shows you that it's a golf bet there, what the date and time of that event is, then obviously the name of it. So Farmers Insurance Open. When you created that bet, and then the odds, so the source of it, so that was from the odds matcher, and then the bet type is normal. So if you went ahead and you changed this to free bet stake not return mode, and then you press log bet again, we'll then load up another profit tracker screen, And you can see that on that second one there, it's then showing bet type, free bet stake not returned there, rather than that first one that we did. And yeah, then it's going to show the bet, which golf player it was on, the bookmaker, the exchange, and then the profit there. And if you then go ahead and open the tab all the way on the right hand side, just says open, you get this little button here, well, quite a big button actually, that says settle bet. And you would just click that when the the event is finished, and you would just select the outcome. So what was the outcome? John Rahm won, or he did not win. So let's say he won. I mean, if he didn't win or won, it's both exactly the same there, because it's a free bet and it's all matched up. But if we just click settle this bet, then that will then, and we can press close. That's then going to give a tick there, so you will know that that has been settled, and it's not one that you're waiting to finish up there and see what you've made from it. So that is literally all you need to do to track those profits there. And if you're not yet signed up to OddsMonkey and you want to get using this software, definitely check out the promo codes that I've left down in the description. One to get you 12 days for £1 of the premium membership, and the other one will actually get you 50% off your first month. If you've had any value from this video, I do appreciate you taking the time to press the like button. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.